Guys, it's Podcast Salmon here. Today we're going to be trying the Popeyes chicken sandwich for the first time. Yes, I've heard the rumors. It's very good, I think. Oh, that's a very large pickle. Hold on. Not so shabby-doo. It's not that bad. I don't know how it compares to a Chick-fil-A sandwich, though.
Nothing I'd kill for.
Yeah, I'd kill for it. I mean, I'd kill for anything. Yeah. I'm starting a new mercenary service, by the way. $5 per person. Depends on the brutality. If it's very brutal, I'll charge 10. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.